Welcome back. Today we are going to be learning about for loops. So let's make here int x. We don't need to give it a value. And then here we will say, I'll explain this in a second, for x equals 0, while x is less than, let's say, 8x plus plus. Okay, so this is what this is. This says that our x is 0, and as long as x is less than 8, we will do the stuff inside. And x will increase by 1 all the time. So printf, the current value of x is %d x. And we will go to a new line here. So this is what will happen. X is equal to 0. Is x less than 8? Yes. And we will print. And then x will increase by 1. X is equal to 1. Is x less than 8? Yes. Print. X will be equal to 2. Is x less than 8? Let's change this to say 2. Is 2 less than 8? Yes. Print. Now x is equal to 3. Is 3 less than 8? Yes. Print. X is equal to 4. Is 4... Oh, I'm so sorry. That should be a 3. Right there. Is 4 less than 8? Yes. Print. X will increase to 5. Is 5 less than 8? Yes. Print. X is equal to 6. Is 6 less than 8? Yes. Print. X is equal to 7. Is 7 less than 8? Yes. Print. And then x is equal to 8. Is 8 less than 8? No. And nothing here. So our output should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the extra text, of course. So look, let's see if I can bring this up. Cool. The current value of x is 0, and it goes all the way to 7. And now, here's an important thing to keep in mind. Let's say after the for loop we put printf, the final value of x is %d. And that's not right. Why is it saying 28? Oh, yeah, my bad. I didn't add the x right there. So the final value of x is 8. Because remember in the for loop, x increased to 8, but 8 is not greater than, well, 8 is not less than 8, so we didn't do anything in here. But x is still 8. Now, there's another kind of loop called the while loop. I'll do that right here. So let's do the same thing right here. Let's say, let's reset x to 0 down here. And we'll say, while x is less than 8, printf, the current value of x is %d. And x plus plus. So let's run through what this would do. X is equal to 0. Is 0 less than 8? Yes. And we would print, and then x would increase by 1, so x would be 1. And I don't know what happened there. No. Stop doing that. Escape. Okay, cool. So once we run through this, we would go through it again. Except this time, x would be equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Is 1 less than 8? Yes. Print x plus plus, x is equal to 2. Stop that. No, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Is 2 less than 8? Yes. Print x plus plus, x is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3. Is 3 less than 8? Yes. Print x plus plus. So now our x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Is 4 less than 8? And we kind of already did this earlier with the for loop. So we'll eventually get to the point where it's like x is equal to 5, blah, blah, blah. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 8. Is 8 less than 8? No. And then you don't do anything. So let's see what happens when we run this. Nice. Let me add a little extra new line character. Printf. I need to skip a line because it got confusing right there. Okay, cool. So this is when we did the for loop, and this is our while loop. And just like we said, it stops at 7. And just like in the last example, the final value of x will be 8. So yeah, that's it. That's how you use for and while loops.